Okay, I'm just going to try and demonstrate the parking, the auto parking. Somebody always cocks me up when I try and do this. On this chap here, and he's all, oh, this lady there in a her old flipping chip fat burning whatever it was. She's managed to do it already. Right, okay, so she's reversing out anyway. So we'll go around again. Thank you. We'll go around again. No biggie. So let's see. So first of all, we put on. We'll click the parking. I think I have. Searching for a parking space on both sides. Right, so it's showing a parking space. Now I'm not confident that that's going to parallel park me. So click there, put it in reverse, and then active parking in operation, be ready to brake. So there we go. We just put it in drive and go forward. And it's parked perfectly, and it's even stopped. It won't let me go any further. So that's one way. Let's just get out. And the usual Barry Crampton instructional video. If you have to refer to the, oh God, one of those Mustangs, how awful. If you have to refer to the instructions, then it's not fit for purpose. So there's the parking space. Select that, select reverse, then put it in reverse. I hate these. So that actually braked me. Well, some guy in a flipping Range Rover's just cocked me up here. But anyway, you see that that's it's braking the car. I'm not doing anything. I'm covering the brake because I'm frightened to death. But as you say, oh, you absolute. Remember to cut that bit out. So as I say, I'm not touching anything. That chap there cocked me up because God, there you go, perfectly reversed in. But I'm not a big fan of that. In fact, I think I might have to take a couple of pills after that one. So anyway, that's it. That's how you do it.